We like came in here to browse and look at the damage.
Very big damage. This one's cute too.
Hi! If you're new here, my name is Samantha and welcome to my channel. I recently traveled to Paris and bought myself something from Chanel. This is my first purchase ever from Chanel. I never owned anything from Chanel, so I was very excited and ended up getting 2 different items. So let's get started with the unboxing. First, with the smaller box. They wrapped it so cutely. It's in a black, like matte, but really like soft silicone feeling with a cute bow. We had a flower on it, but it dropped off while I was traveling. But let's get started with the first box. Revealing the first item. It comes with a little card. Guess this is what they tell us on how to take care of the item. Ooh, it has a little dust bag with like a gray Chanel logo. And voila! This is the first item. This is the classic flap card holder, and I got it in burgundy. Look at that color. It looks so luxurious. And honestly, I've been loving the color burgundy, so I thought this was a great add to my collection. And right here, the Chanel logo is in gold hardware. And you open up the button. This is what the inside looks like. It also has Chanel logo printed in gold. And it has 2 flaps. So here is the bigger one where you could put majority of your card holders and probably some cash. And then here is a smaller slip where you could put probably something fast that you always use, like maybe your ID or your credit cards. And they just have a little protector right here. I've been eyeing this for a while and I'm so happy that I finally got it and I can't wait to use it. It looks very spacious in there. And this is in the caviar lambskin. And for the bigger box, this is the bigger purchase I got from Chanel. Oops, the flower came off. It's in the same dust bag as the card holder with the gray logo. And once you open it up, also has the card from earlier. And for the big review, look at this. They packaged it so nicely. This is where the chain is. And this is what I got. I got the wallet on chain with the top handle. I always wanted one of the Chanels with the handle. I just thought it was super cute and beautiful. So I had to make sure I got my hands on this. I got this in a navy blue color. I was hoping they had the black one in stock, but they didn't. So I was debating between this or the burgundy color, but I ended up getting this one because the burgundy color was like with that shiny, like look kind of like patent material, which I didn't love. So I decided to get this, and this is also in a navy lambskin material. And doing the up close on the C, I like how it says Chanel around the C, and I like how there's a little like closure here where you have to twist it to open it. Versus the regular classic flap, I was also debating between that or this. That one was just like a clasp down, and I just like how more secure this feels because someone need to physically open this to open my bag. And then for the top handle on top, this is what it looks like. It has some like jewels here and gemstones, and it says Chanel across. So like it's super cute to hold on to if you hold it like this. In the back, it also has a pocket here. I feel like I could fit the card holder in here. Turn it back around. Let's open up and look at the inside. So once you open it up, there is a zipper in here. So you could unzipper it. Wow, it's actually pretty spacious. It goes all the way in. Actually, it goes literally all the way in, straight down to the bag. My hand is right here right now. Very nice. And then from here, they also have another pocket where you can slip some stuff in here. And of course, you have the classic inside of a wallet on chain where you can put your cards on the side, slip some stuff here. And also a zipper where you can put some more items in here. And it also has, not sure you can see this, but it also has a Chanel logo right there. And then for the chain, it's also in the navy color with gold hardware. There's different ways you could hold this, and the essay was showing it to me. You could hold it with the handle like this, or cross body and on the shoulders like this. But you could also shorten the strap like you do with all the other Chanel bags, where you cross it over. Cross it over, close this up, and you have the shorter chain. But because of the handle right here, once you shorten the chain, you actually can't put it crossbody because this restricts like the extra space you could do. So my essay was so kind enough and actually gave me one of the clasps that you're able to shorten the strap. So my essay actually gave me this right here. As you can see, you could open it up and put it around your chains to adjust your strap to the length that you want. Right there. So it looks like this, and it's also in a gold hardware, so it will just blend in with my chain. So you can open up on the side, open this up. This is what it looks like. It's like the double C's. And then if you take your chain, you can see what length you want. Put your chain in the loop. So you put it through one side of the chain, and then the other side of the chain, like this. And then you will close the clasp to secure it. And right there, you adjusted the chain a bit to a shorter length. And if you want it shorter, it really depends how short you want, and you could adjust the strap. Which was very, very nice from essay to get for me, because I was debating between this and the classic flap. And at first I didn't like how you can't wear it for a shorter crossbody because I don't like how low it hangs when you can't shorten the strap. So he showed me this, and that 100% fixed my problem, and it did not cost anything extra. It was complimentary.
That's it for this video. What do you guys think about the bag and the card holder? Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Bye!